Albany in Western Australia is the most southern tip of Western Australia. Luke and I actually went to Albany for our honeymoon, and then we went back again for our anniversary. But we haven't been back since Jessie was born, so it's the first time for Jessie. Albany is really well known for its whales. Up until 1978, it was a whaling place, so they would kill the whales. Now the whaling station is a museum to educate people about how you shouldn't be doing it. And whale watching is huge in Albany, so whales are still a big part of Albany, but they just appreciate the whales now for seeing them rather than eating them. We are heading down with a bunch of people. They've already all gotten down there. Unfortunately, I had to work because Mama got to pay the bills.
Someone's got to fill this tank.
So we're leaving now a little bit later than everyone else, but should be a good drive. Albany is 4.5 hours away from where we live, which is about 400 k's. Two major stops to take are Williams and Mount Barker if you're getting fuel or food. Unfortunately, it is that time of year again where the bushfires are quite bad in Australia. So here is a perfect example of how quickly a bushfire can start up. That was nothing about 10-15 minutes ago, and now it's pretty bad. We did see the fireys or firefighters go past a moment ago, so hopefully they're on the scene and they are making sure that it is under control.
It was the young fella's job for snacks. He's supposed to be dishing them out.
What?
But he reckons he's got nothing.
You never told me
He
anything.
reckons he's got nothing, but what do I see there?
You've got food.
There's food,
Hey.
lots of it. I think he's been a little chipmunk keeping it all for
Hey.
himself.
Share the food.
Just because this is a song that doesn't end. Yes, it goes on and on, my friend.
Some
People started singing it, not knowing what it was, and they'll continue singing it forever just because it is a song that doesn't end. So we've just stopped at this little park stop. It's the first stop we've had the whole time. And I tell you what, it's so dodgy.
So nice.
Behind me up there is the highway. And it's just like set in this tiny little area. Beautiful fields. Look at that little lake. It's fantastic. What else have we got? There's a tunnel down here. I don't know what's in that tunnel. Look at that. Must be where the river flows underneath the highway. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, it's amazing what you can find when you pull over on the side of the road. It is literally just a park stop.
You're a bit late on your cross.
It's fantastic. There's Yana taking some pictures over there with the camera. Damn, she looks good. Gorgeous girl. There's Bibble. What, Jessie?
Bit late on your cross.
Yeah, they must have a lot to do. This field hasn't been harvested yet. Right now we're in the peak harvest season. It's been going for about 6 weeks now. But they must have a huge amount of land if they haven't cropped that yet. Ah, we passed that truck about 40 minutes ago. Ah, well. Shit happens. How you going, bud?
Mate, quick vet test for us?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yep, no problem. All good, thank you.
Cheers, bud. Have a good day.
And you.
We arrived late for check-in, so one of our friends went and grabbed the keys from us from the office, and then we had a quick chat, grabbed the keys, and checked out our accommodation. We stayed at Acclaim Albany Holiday Park. Although I wouldn't say this is high class, it did the job. It had a clean bed, good kitchen, and it was comfortable enough. After unpacking, we cooked some dinner, had some fun, and we went to bed in preparation for the next day ahead. After some pancakes for breakfast, it was off to Colley Street Markets.
So here we are in sunny Albany. We've left beautiful 32-degree weather back home to come to grey skies.
Nice and brisk.
This morning we're coming down to the Colley Street Markets to check out what kind of produce they've got in the area. What's going on, bud? Breakfast time?
Getting a chocky milk and sausage roll, buddy.
Sounds good.
Country.
I've seen the chocky milk in your back pocket.
Oh yeah.
It's delicious, by the way.
Yeah, good
Our
for you.
coffee is absolutely fantastic.
Chocolate that came off the bottom.
So yeah, that was the sunny Colley Street Markets in Albany. It's a good spot. Come down, check it out.
After chatting to the locals at the markets, we found out that there was a cactus factory that sells all sorts of succulents, but they were only open Saturday mornings, so we quickly went down there before they closed. We then headed to the whaling station, which is of course what Albany is famous for. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Also turn on post notifications so you don't miss part 2.